Now, here I have an access point configured using the command line interface with a user named administrator. Let's proceed further and assign basic configurations to the access point using my web browser here. The procedure is simple and short. To start, I'll click Express Setup from the menu. When I do this, the Express Setup page is displayed. You'll see a number of fields in this page. We can modify the configurations listed here. So let's go ahead and change the default gateway from 0.0.0.0 to 172.16.0.2. I'll type that in now. Great. Now I'm going to scroll down and click Apply. When I do click the Apply button, a warning notification message immediately pops up, telling me that the settings that I have altered will now be updated. I'll click OK to proceed. Now this changes the gateway and then returns me to the Express Setup page. Let's find out if the default gateway has been updated or not. Sure enough, here we see it. The gateway is now changed to 172.16.0.2. So we've now added a default gateway to the access point. The next thing I want to do is assign the SSID to the access point. What I'm going to do is this. I'll click the Express Security option from the menu on the left, and this opens the Express Security Setup page. When you come to this page, notice that there is no SSID that is actually configured at this time. So I'll now configure an SSID on the access point, and it's fairly simple. All I have to do is go into the SSID field and type AP1 there, and then click Apply. When I click Apply, I get a warning notification message letting me know that the settings I've made will indeed be updated, so I'll click OK to proceed. This will return me back to the Express Security page here. Okay, now the question is the SSID now visible in the Express Security page? When we take a look, we see that it is. So, we've added a default gateway and assigned an SSID to the access point. Let's revisit the security settings of the access point. The access point has only an SSID configured and no security options such as static web keys or EAP authentication or WPA. What this means is that I can only use the access point to create an unsecured wireless network at this point.